Alright, this is my other swap meet find for 40 bucks with the receiver. Maiden flight on it. 4S 2200 battery. Definitely sensitive, I can tell that just on the first little climb out.
Yeah, you got quite a bit of elevator.
Woohoo! I think this one's going to be able to do anything that you want it to do.
Yep, they will. That's a pretty statement. Oh, wait.
Well, she definitely has got pretty much all the power you're going to want. I came off of it there. Yeah, for my flying style, I like a little bit smoother flight, you know.
Yeah.
And I found the best way for me to get that is just put that aileron down pretty low with 40-50% expo. It's a little bit pitchy. Try to get it trimmed out here. That's a little better.
Was it worth 40?
I believe it was probably worth even 45, Jim.
Yeah.
You gotta love these super sweet deals. That's a lot better on the elevator trim. Where am I at? Half throttle, 70%. Hands off, she's flying nice and level now. Yeah, you gotta love these bargains that you find, because then if you don't like it, you feel like it's not a big waste.
Looked brand new when you got it.
Yeah, he said he had flown it. Makes you wonder why somebody would sell a plane that seems to fly well for $40. I mean,
I got that Commander from him, and it looked brand new.
yeah, I would have bought that Commander if I'd have been in line in front of you, Jim.
You're the one that told me about it.
I didn't. Well, he had a price on it of like brand new, 180 bucks.
Oh, okay. Well, you said go talk.
And you went over there, the bargain master that you are, you talked him down to what, half of that? 90 or something like that? 80?
Hey, I'm happy with the deal. I think it was 90. I got it written down at the house. But I'm not unhappy, but 45 would have been better. Yeah. Well, you could have clubbed him in the head and stole it, you know. He may have got into it and just found out he didn't really enjoy it. I don't know.
Well, you know, it's a love-hate on that Commander. I've talked to people that just absolutely love it, and I've talked to people that says it's the worst plane ever. Nadeem, he hates it.
Yeah, online it seemed like, yeah, there were a few among RC groups that just didn't like it at all, but most of them liked it. It's,
Well, I like this one for $40. See what she does on the old wheels up pass. Still got to give it some stick movement.
upside down and going up at 45, is it pitching up or down?
Right there it's hands off and it's coming down.
Yeah, but it go 45 degree angle up.
Yeah, well, yeah, no, it has a down climb in it, but the nose wasn't quite at 45, probably more like 25.
Yeah, the way you tell if it's
balance. You gotta climb up at 45-degree angle upside down.
Oh.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
I'll have to do it on the next flight. The timer just went off. Man, that floats a lot. Stalled it.
Yeah, they don't like flying slow. Halloween probably helps a lot.
Yeah.